While blogging can be a great way to earn money online, it may take some time and effort to build a following and generate income. Here are some tips on how to earn money online quickly through blogging. Choose a profitable niche. Select a niche that has a high demand and low competition. Some popular niches include personal finance, health and wellness, travel, and food. Create high-quality content. Write informative, engaging, and valuable content that will attract and retain readers. Consistency is key, so make sure to post regularly. Build a following. Promote your blog on social media, guest post on other blogs, and engage with your readers to build a loyal following. Monetize your blog. There are several ways to monetize your blog, including affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, advertising, and selling digital products or services. Use SEO strategies. Optimize your blog for search engines to improve visibility and attract more traffic. This can include keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. Sure, here are some additional tips on how to earn money online quickly through blogging. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers who are interested in your niche, and offer them exclusive content, promotions, and products. Create digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, printables, or membership sites related to your niche. Offer services. Use your blog as a platform to offer services such as coaching, consulting, or freelance writing to your readers. Use affiliate marketing. Promote affiliate products and services related to your niche and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Network with other bloggers. Collaborate with other bloggers in your niche, attend blogging conferences, and join blogging communities to expand your reach and opportunities. Remember to always prioritize creating high-quality content that is valuable and helpful to your readers. By building a loyal following and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche, you can earn money online quickly and sustainably through your blog.